Welcome to Lexicon. Learn to speak confident English.
I've been trying to improve my English, but my grammar isn't perfect. I don't think I can speak fluently until I learn all the grammar rules.
That's one of the biggest questions English learners ask. One of the biggest fears English learners have is this: my grammar isn't good enough. I'll make mistakes. People will judge me. So they keep studying grammar. More rules, more exercises, more worksheets, but less speaking. And the answer to this question is not a simple yes or no. Some people say, forget grammar, just speak. Others say, learn all the grammar first. The truth is somewhere in between. If you're a beginner, grammar is your foundation. It's what helps you build your very first sentences. Without grammar, words remain just words. For example, I yesterday market go. With a little grammar, I went to the market yesterday. Or, she like music. She likes music. A small grammar rule can completely change the clarity of your sentence. So yes, if you're just starting, grammar helps you. Here's something interesting. As your English improves, you stop thinking about grammar rules one by one. Instead, you begin remembering useful expressions as complete chunks. For example, instead of thinking, present perfect, subject, auxiliary verb, past participle. Most fluent speakers simply say, I've never been there before. Or, if I were you, I'd take the earlier train. Many learners don't consciously think, this is the second conditional. They simply know the expression because they've heard and used it many times. This is why exposure and practice become increasingly important as your English develops. Now, here is a balanced truth for you. Grammar is important, but grammar alone won't make you fluent. Imagine learning English is like completing a puzzle. Grammar is one piece, not the whole picture. But we all know that isn't true.
The 4 pieces: grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking practice. These 4 work together. Let's see why. Grammar helps you build correct sentences. For example, yesterday I go market. Correct it. Yesterday I went to the market. Grammar improves clarity.
So learning English and being fluent has more than one reason. Grammar is important, but don't let it stop you. Some learners spend 5 minutes trying to build one perfect sentence. Then, they never actually say it. They're so busy asking, is this tense correct? Should I use has or have? Is this preposition right? That the conversation has already moved on. Speaking is happening. You're still checking grammar in your head. The goal of grammar is to help communication, not replace communication. Now, let's be clear. There are situations where grammar needs extra attention. Imagine you're in a job interview. Interviewer: tell me about a project you worked on. You probably don't want to answer, last year I work on marketing project. A more accurate sentence creates a stronger impression. Or imagine writing an email to a client. Compare these. Please send me document today. I'm waiting. Could you please send me the document today? I'm waiting for your response. The second sounds clearer and more professional. Or imagine giving a presentation. You want your audience to focus on your ideas, not struggle to understand your sentences. In situations like these, grammar supports your speaking. But if you're chatting with a friend and you accidentally say, I go yesterday,
most people will still understand what you mean. Communication doesn't suddenly stop.
So, do you need grammar? Yes. Do you need perfect grammar before you start speaking? Absolutely not. Learn the grammar you need. Use it immediately. Make mistakes. Improve. Then learn the next piece. Grammar should support your speaking. It should never be the reason you stop speaking. In today's lesson, we answered whether grammar is important, and we hope it helped you. But here's another question. How much grammar do you actually need at each English level? Do beginners need the same grammar as advanced learners? That's exactly what we'll explore in the next video. See you there.
Thank you for watching. Let's build your English, one step at a time.